दोन पॉईंट हा ॲक्च्युली सेकंड पॉईंट हांव फर्स्ट घेता. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसली की आमी लास्ट इयराक somewhere on 14th of April 2024 we had started one movement for objecting a setting up of a night club in Asegaon. So तुमकां सांगपाक म्हाका कशी भोगता की आयज खंय तरी एका वर्सा उपरांत तो नायट क्लब वायंडिंग अप सुरू जाला. So it is said that every situation has three dimensions. One is my view, your view, and the truth. And the truth was that structure was standing there illegally. The structure was based on all misleading information to various authorities. So that's the reason it has to go, and it is going. So let's congratulate it for the success. For all the people who supported, I want to specially thank the panchayat bodies. I want to thank my God, Bharat Sakaleshwar, who gave us instinct to start this movement, because it was in everybody's mind that something is coming up which is not good for the society or not good for the village. But nobody was coming forward. So God gave us the idea or strength to come forward and fight for our village, so that such things do not come in our village. So especially I am thanking Sarpanch Hanumat and his entire team for supporting us in that movement, because otherwise without that support it would have been a little bit more difficult, and it would have taken much more time to strike it off. So I will special thanks to the panchayat body for giving us that support. Secondly, I would also like to thank our honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Dr. Pramod Sawant sir, for taking a call on immediate basis. I remember on 8th of July 2024 at around 6 o'clock, 5 or 6 of our colleagues met him, and very next day he strike out the permission given by TCP for withdrawal of that permission for structural regularization. So I would like to thank him also. Again, I would like to thank the TCP Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, who gave his valuable time when we met him somewhere in the month of June to appraise him of the situation and why it should be struck up. We gave him all our reservations in the meeting. Also, I would like to thank the local MLA. When we met her for the first time, she gave her a positive response and said, I am with the villagers, and she gave us the support in that. And special thanks to all the villagers of Asaka, all the villagers, are a special thanks to you people, because you are the one who gave us the strength in going ahead, because it was very difficult, because we were fighting against some IT. They had influence, they had money, power, they had everything. Because you never know what kind of situation we have gone through. We were seeing threatening calls, we were induced, we were intimidated, we were name calling. Was there so many things we have gone through, but finally the God was with us, the panchayat body was there, all you people were with us. So that has gave us the success. So once again I would like to thank you. Again, there was a comment in one of the group that why the structure is still on there. I want the structure to be there. I want that structure to be there for some more time, because that is the testimony of our success. That is the testimony, and that will should linger in somebody's mind, that some people should not go in for such kind of things in future in Asara. That should be in minds of people. That's the reason I want that structure to be there for some time. Let him take his own time to dismantle it. Okay, thank you. In the movement, in the struggle for that Rumba thing, we formed a group, or we formed a committee which is called Asara Bazin Citizens Action Committee. So for the first objective, we met the objective. We were able to successfully do away with the nightclub setting up in Goa. Now we have come up with one more issue which was brought to our notice recently by the villagers. That is the road which is going up to Sivolim from the Ilok, from Kamat stop. Okay, that road which was I think 20-25 years, or I don't know exactly which year it was built up, but now it is very dilapidated condition. It's not a motorable road, there are potholes and it's not in motorable. But that road is currently used by some miscreants or some people or antisocial elements for their own use. Maybe something is going on that has been brought to our notice. That is one part of it. The second part I will tell you, but so as of now, under 65D, I can read that, under 65D of Panchayati Raj Act, there is a provision for closing up a road or any putting a barricades or something where such roads or such place is used by some anti-social elements for or being misused. So the panchayat has a power. They only have to refer to Jilla Parishad to take a approval for closing such a road because it comes under RDA or something or some authority. So let's request the panchayat to close that because it is being used for something which is not good for the society. That is one thing. I prepared my presentation or memorandum. Yesterday evening we had a meeting in temple where almost more than 100 people attended that. So we have taken signatures of 3 people. I think some 50-60 people have already signed the representation. Those of you have not signed it can sign that so that we can hand it over to the panchayat today. Also we can pass a resolution that we don't want that road to be made motoral road. Already asked upon last time when we met the panchayat, he said we will take one more resolution and we will forward to the concerned authority so that we will not have that. The one more reason behind having that road, or there are pressures being built up by the vested interest, is that there is a property under 101/1, almost 2,20,000 square meter of property, which is under investigation. It's a fraudulent fraud which has taken place, and that property is being planned to go in for settlement. Already the portion of it, almost 16,000 square meter, is already being notified as a settlement. I think somewhere in June 23 or so the notification had come. So already 16,000 square meter of area is already being declared as a settlement zone. So imagine if a property at measuring about 2,20,000 square meter, which is as of now is a natural cover or a garden where trees and some plantation is there, which is being converted into a settlement zone. What kind of life we are going to have, or future generation will have in Asaga? If you recollect what is happening in Orshel in Taligarh, you must have watched it on your social media. What is happening in Orshel? What is happening in Sankolai? So this is exactly what is going to happen over there. So we want whoever might be there, the ownership issue over there. The Komdidas has already filed a case. That's what we heard against the people who have fraudulently acquired the title holder rights. Okay, so they are fighting that case in the High Court. But irrespective of that point, keeping aside, we want that portion of land to be kept as a natural cover so that our future generation can live in Asava peacefully. Because if we convert our hillocks or fields into a settlement zone, tomorrow the life will be miserable to live in this village. So that is my point. So if anybody else you want to speak on this particular point, you can speak. Otherwise, I'll read out to you the memorandum which we have prepared, which we want to submit it to the panchayat.
Advocate Carlos had taken up this issue आणि मागीर सीएमान सांगले that he'll investigate and कितें आलें तें कांय खबर ना. But as आमचो सुरेंद्र has rightly pointed out, it should be kept as a natural cover. And I think आमची जे biodiversity chairman Sainora, she has already raised her objection that time. आणि we have another आमचे दोन आमचे daughters of this village म्हणटा they are very highly qualified in botany आणि all this biodiversity. एक आमचे Sainora ha and one is Dr. Marianne Borges. So both of them always go in the jungle. Zonglani vetat chedwan and I admire them and really they are highly qualified and can we should take their services also when such things come up. And both of them had been there at the site. And for various reasons they go there. Shikpar vetat and to collect Sainora goes to collect mushrooms. Dr. Marianne goes to educate people on wild plants and forest tools. So they said also that the forest that should be preserved. And we are always there to give you any report to any authority. We will also come. So tanso ampa support astolo and we should take their support and we are really thankful to them.
जेन्ना इंगो ग्रीन त्या जमनीचेर दोळो दवरलो आनी ती आख्खी जमीन घेवपा खातीर लागलो तेन्ना आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जाल्ले. तेन्ना मादेम आसगांव एक्शन कमिटी म्हणून जाली थंयसर आनी दांतास फॅमिली जावं ती आयडा फॉन्सेका फॅमिली त्या सगळ्यांनी आनी बाकीचे आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन आमी ताका हें केलो जातेक अपोज केलो. आनी अपोज करच्या पयलीं तितून मांद्रेकर जो मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो तेणें ग्रामपंचायतीन सांगलें की आमच्या भुरग्यांक भरपूर थंयसर स्टॉलां मेळटलीं आनी नोकऱ्यो मेळटल्यो कसल्यो वेटराच्यो धुवपाच्यो सगळ्यो असल्यो. तेन्ना ताका आमी अपोज केल्लो आनी हीच जमनीचेर आयज कोण तरी सुदेश पार्सेकर म्हणून तो आपलं नाव जडयता विदाउट आनी 18 केस सुद्दां जायनासतना. ही वायट गजाल जावन आसा. हांव मागता जशें आमी लढलेले 2005 तशें आज परत लढचे पडटले. फक्त रस्त्या खातीर न्ही, आख्खो डोंगर सांबाळपाची गरज आसा. आमचो डोंगर म्हणजे आमचे आसगांव विलेज आणि थंय प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट ते सुद्दां काडले. सायनोरा बाबडे आमचे ते सगळे वर्कआउट करता ते कित्याक काडले काय म्हणून अजून मध्ये आन्सर मेळना. ही सगळी गोष्टी जावन आसा. ही पॉलिटिकली हे करून सोदता. आख्खो डोंगर विकूंक सोदता. जवळ जवळ 700 crores स्कॅम आहा तो. आणि हो करप जावं स्कॅम आमी उगी रावंक जायना. प्रत्येकाचे रक्त म्हणजे खदळोंक जाय. ते सिंदुरा भाशेन घालूं नाका. रक्त गरम आसूंक जाय. रक्त गरम हे आसलें जाल्यार आमचो आयज हो डोंगर उरतलो. आणि हांव सरपंचाक सांगता आणि पंचायती बॉडीकूय सांगता, जर तर हो डोंगर गेलो न्ही आमच्या आसगांव गेले, हांव सरळ सांगता. आणि आनीकूय डोंगर खंय खंय गेल्ले आहा. फक्त एकूच रस्तो हाडून उपयोग ना आमकां आमचो डोंगर आमकां परतो जाय. हो सुदेश पार्सेकर कोण? हो पयलीं हेचो बीजेपीचो व्हायस प्रेसिडेंट कितें आहा, तो कमिटीचो मेंबर आहा. प्रत्येक गोष्ट तुमी बीजेपीच्या कार्यकर्त्यांक कितें सगळें भाड्याक लायला की कितें डोंगर करपाचो, खंयचे रस्ते मोडोवपाचे, मोडून धरून लोकांची डेमोलिश करपाचे कंपाऊंड वॉल आणि तेची भिंत्यो सगळ्यो हे कितें चल्लेलें आसा. आयज गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारता, हांकां काँग्रेचुलेट न्ही, हांकां अभिनंदन न्ही, हांकां पयलीं धारेर धरूंक जाय. कारण हांकां प्रत्येक गोष्ट हांची फक्त पोल्सां भरपाची कशी ती जाल्ली आसा. आयज आसगांवच्या फक्त डोंगराचेर न्हू, सगळ्या आख्ख्या हेचेर प्रॉपर्टीचेर तेंचो दोळो जाल्लो आसा. दोळो म्हणजे कोचून काडपाची गरज आसा. त्या खातीर सगळ्यांनी एकठांय जावपाची गरज जावन आसा आणि परत एकदा लढो दिवपाची गरज जावन आसा.
There are two parts of it. One is, of course, of the illegal activities that is going on. But the second part of it is the fact that that whole area is going to be developed as a big real estate. If that happens, you can be sure that you will not have water in your wells. Okay, that's the first thing that is going to happen. This is a big project which involves, powerful people in place. But if the villages of Asagaon listen to this to the resolution, we can stop it. Now this is I think it's just next to the forest, that whole property that is showing there, 101, which has been under the notified under the 39A, which is challenged in the High Court. If the High Court and the Supreme Court, passes the order, nothing can happen. But there are a lot of things that have been challenged. 17(2), the rules have been, put aside by the High Court. But if you go along the road to Wal, the projects which were passed by 17(2), big projects are coming up, which actually should have been stopped because the rules have been, High Court has put aside the rules saying the rules are illegal. Okay? So I'm saying this has a long drawn impact on the village of Asagaon, which will totally ensure one, the climatic change, but no water in your wells. You'll have to buy water. So I think we have to take this resolution very seriously.
आम्ही ह्या प्रपोजलाक आमचो सपोर्ट आहा काय ना म्हणून जेन्ना थंयसर रोड करताले सगळ्यान पयलीं धांवन थंय पंचायतूच गेल्ली आणि आमकां सपोर्ट केलो व्हीडीसी चेअरपर्सन व्हीडीसी रणजीत आसलो आणि दोन पंचायत बॉडी आसली प्रतिभा. तेन्ना सगळ्यान पयले आमी थंयसर वचून बंद केले, रोलराक धाडून घातलो, मोन्याक धाडून घातलो आनी जी खडी मांडला न्हू ती किल्ला रोडाक थंयसरूच आहा. तेच्या उपरांत आमी पर्सनल PWDच्या इंजिनियराक फोन केलो आनी ताका आमी क्वेश्चनूय केले. जेन्ना विनायक रेस्टॉरंटाच्या रोडाचें काम चालू आसलें आनी हे जे खड्डे आसले ते म्हटलें तुमी करिना आनी वयलो दोंगरा वयलो रोड करता. ऑलरेडी 10 वर्सां पयलीं काय 15 वर्सां पयलीं हांवें फनसेगान एक रेजोल्युशन पास केल्लें ग्रामसभेक. ते रेजोल्युशन आमी तांकां धाडलेलें. इतके ऑब्जेक्शन आसतना तेंच्यांनी प्रायोरिटी त्या हिरक किल्ला रोडाक दिली. आतां कित्याक दिली तें आमकां कळना. तेच्या उपरांत हांवें ताका सांगलें तूं मदीं पडो नाका. कोण सांगलें PWD इंजिनियराक, कारण म्हाकाय कळटा की तेचेर खूब प्रेशर आहा. पर्सनली तेणें म्हाका पयलीं एकदां फोनूय करून विचारलेलें त्या रोडाचें मॅटर कितें आहा. तर हांवें ताका सांगलें थंयसर किलर रोड म्हणून ताका नांव पडलेल्या कारण एका चेडवाचो थंय मर्डर जाल्लो तेन्नाच्यान तो रोड स्टॉप आहा. आनी तेणेंय म्हाका सांगलें आतां की तूं एक काम कर, आतां फ्रेश रेजोल्युशन दी. हेच्या पयलीं लोकांची एक आमकां कंप्लेंट येयल्ली आसा हे आयचे ग्रामसभेचे, प्लस आमची ती आसगांव बाजे देवेन आमच्या सुरेन गार्डन आतां आमकां एक लेटर तयार केल्लें आहा की अशें तिनूय आमी क्लब करून आमच्या पंचायतीचें लेटर करतले. इन फ्युचर तो रोड केन्नाच हें करप ना. आनी जशें सांगले प्रमाणे सुरेन गार्डन आतां सांगला की तो रोड ब्लॉक करचो. म्हळ्यार पळय, जेन्ना 1971-72 जो आमचो आसगांवचो सर्वे जालो त्या सर्वेचेर तो PWD रोड नन मेन्शन लागलेलो आहा. त्याच्या नंतर पुढे त्याचं कांयच हे करपाक ना, म्हणजे तो रोड बिलोंग्स टू PWD. त्या रोडाक आमी बॅरिकेड घातले जावन कितें तो बंद करतले जाल्यार आमकां पयलें परमिशन जाय PWDचें, कित्याक ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी PWD. जो प्रोसेस आहा तो आमी लिगली प्रोसेस करतले. आमकां कितें एडवान्स जाय जाल्यार आमी एडवान्सूय घेतले, आनी जर आमच्या पंचायत राज एक्टा प्रमाणे जे तेणीन सांगला प्रोविजन सांगलेले आहा ह्या प्रोविजना बद्दल करपाक मेळटा. जर मेळटा ब्लॉक करपाक जाल्यार आमी ते ब्लॉकूय करतले. कारण अशें जावन जायना की डायरेक्ट गेले आनी बॅरिकेड घातले, ऑफिशियल घातले, कायद्यान बसता काय बसना. आमी एडवायस घेता, कायद्यान जर बसता जाल्यार 100% बॅरिकेड घालता. हो प्रपोजल आमी कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंटाक फॉरवर्डेड करता. Preservation of Asagaon Wow. Wow म्हणजे नाला. Our ancestor built a heritage central storm water drain which carries the rainwater of the village. This drain called Wow passes through 3 other villages, Anjuna, Arpara, Baga, and it carries water to the Baga river which meets the Arabian Sea. This heritage assets facility prevents Asagaon from getting waterlogged. More importantly, this Wow serves as a source of irrigation to the paddy crop Waingon and also the vegetable gardens in the field. Sadly, the Wow lies in a pathetic condition today. Its built-up sites have given way to wild growth and neglect. To make matters worse, some people dump garbage, junk and debris in the Wow. We couldn't build such an important facility for the village ourselves. At least we should repair, maintain and preserve it. I request the village panchayat to move the government authorities and save.
पॉइंट खूप महत्वाचो. आमच्या पूर्वजांनी ही विलेज जेन्ना प्लॅन जाले तेन्ना ही आमची वॅली हवशीन दोंगर, देवशीन दोंगर, कोर्रा दोंगर एकूच देवशीन ना. तर पावसान कितें जाता, सगळें दोंगराचें उदक गांवांत पावस पडटा तें उदक खंय तरी वचूंक जाता. सो तांणी एक सेंट्रल स्ट्रॉंग वॉटर ड्रेन केली, हाका व्हाव म्हणटा. आनी हें उदक म्हाका दिसता बार्देसान असलो व्हाव ना, इतलो लांबूय ना, सुंदरय ना. सो तो आसगांव जो स्टार्ट जाता तो अंजुना वता, मागीर आरपोरा वता, मागीर बागान वता, आनी ते बागाच्या रिवराक तो एरेबियन सी वता. आनी हो एकदम महत्वाचो व्हाव हेरिटेज एसेट. आनी हाचे पयलीं आतां जायना जाय वायंगण म्हण आमी हें करताले रबी क्रॉप, ते व्हाळाच्या उदकान जाता. भाजीपालो तरकारी जे आमी शेतांनी रोयताले ते व्हाळाचे उदक वचून जातात. पूण आज ताची परिस्थिती पयशी तूं जाल्यार तो वर्सान वर्स ते मोडत वता झाडां बी. लोक कितें कितें उडयता कचरो आनी कितें. आनी म्हाका दिसता दीस रेट आनी 3-4 वर्सांनी तो व्हाव उरचो ना. आनी दॅट इज वेट व्हेरी सिरियस कॉन्सिक्वन्सीस टू आसगांव. सो म्हजें इतलेंच म्हणणें की आमच्या नशिबान नांव असले बांदून दवरपाक आसा तरी ते सांबाळया फुडले पिळगेक. इतलेंच.
हांव गेले म्हाका पंचवीस वर्स शेतान तें काम केलां आनी त्या व्हाळाचो कितलो उपयोग जाता बद्दल म्हाका खबर आहा. सो जर WRD कडेन प्रपोजल तुमी घालात आनी WRD सपोज एका फावटीन तो जायना सगळो कंप्लीट करपाक जाल्यार स्टेजीस तुमी घेवंक शकता. म्हणजे पयलीं वळानसून एक पाट्या मेरेन हाडूंक शकता, पूण दोनूय सायडीक प्रॉपरली बांदून घेयात, कित्याक इट्स व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. तो व्हाव जर नासा जाल्यार ते फ्लडींग जावपाची खूब पॉसिबिलिटी आनी वॉट इज दॅट इज रायट कॉन्सिक्वन्सीस वील बी मोर डिस्ट्रक्टीव. सो जायना जाल्यार पंचायतीन सुद्दां एटलिस्ट आतां रिपेरींग सुद्दां पळय तुमी मोडला पळय ते तुमी फातर ते पडलेले आहा भितर ते सुद्दां रिपेर करून जाल्यार पंचायतीच्या फंडांतून थोडे जे मेजर क्रिटिकल एरियाज आहा पळय त्या जाग्यार उदक फुटपाचो चान्स आहा. आतां थोडे कडेन पयशे जाल्यार तो बांद फुटोन उदक शेतांनी येवपाची पॉसिबिलिटी आहा आनी तें उदक जर म्हाका शेताक कोण करता तेन्ना करून मेळची ना. सो पंचायतीन ते प्रायोरिटीचेर घेवचें आनी इन स्टेजीस जाता जाल्यार सुद्दां करपाक जाता. एक ह्या पयल्या 2 वर्सांक एक पार्ट घेवपाचो अशें आप टू अंजुना बांदा मेरेन गेल्यार पुरो आमकां कितें आरपोरा वचपाची गरज ना. 5-6 किलोमिटर्साचो डिस्टन्स आहा तो 1-2 किलोमिटर घेवपाचो.
लास्ट मिटिंगेक जॉयन केलेले ते आमचे खासदाराचे पळय आमकां निधी मेळटा. खासदार MP पार्टी फंड आनी तुमी म्हाका रिप्लाय केल्लो कांय डेव्हलपमेंट कांय MP फंड आमी युटिलायज करूंक ना. रायट रायट ऑर रॉंग? right or wrong, whether you have utilized the fund or not utilized the fund.
MP फंड आमकां येयना फंड फंड येयना फंड प्रपोजल घालचे पडटा आमी ऑलरेडी चिल्ड्रन पार्का कडेन MP फंडासून घातलेले तो अजून आमकां फंड येवना DMC कडेन जे प्रोजेक्ट जाल्लो आहा कोंकणाचो एलोटेड प्लॉट थंयसर आमी एक चिल्ड्रन पार्क म्हणून घातलो तोय आमकां प्रपोजल येवना फंड आमकां येयना आतां गोल्डन जुबली फंड 50 lakhs आमकां येयतलो तो आमी युटिलायज केलो MPचो फंड येयना तेंच्यांनी फंड आमकां पास करपाक जाय टील डेट आमकां म्हाका दिसता एक पास जाल्लो DMC कॉलेजीचे कंपाउंड हॉल MP फंडासून श्रीपाद नायकाचे हावसिंग बोर्डासून हो वाड स्टार्ट जाता आनी वयर टॉप जो रस्तो आहा सारको गणेशपुरी रोड वयर गेला पळय थंयसर सकयसून एक 100 मिटराक स्प्रिंग आहा थंयसून हो वाड स्टार्ट जाता आनी जेन्ना हांव पयलो पंच मेंबर जाल्लो इन द इयर 2012 आनी तेचो मिनिस्टर आसलो WD दयानंद मांद्रेकर त्या टायमार म्हाका दिसता हांवें अर्दे आसगांव हांवेंच करून काडले हांव वॉर्ड मेंबर तेन्ना वॉल स्प्रिंग टू हे आवयस किचन आहा पळय आवयस किचन तेच्या फाटल्यान कोणापो म्हणून आमी शेत म्हणटा थंय पासून वायाळ हांवें त्या टायम 2012 ते 2017 5 वर्साच्या कार्यकाळान हांवें इतके किलोमिटर आमकां हांवें व्हाळाचें काम करून घेतलां इतको हांवें एक्टिवनेस त्या टायमान घेतली आनी त्या टायमान WRD मिनिस्टर दयानंद मांद्रेकर आसलो जेन्ना आमी रेजुलेशनाक घेवन थंय वताले एवरी टायम म्हाका तेंच्यांनी प्रायोरिटी दिल्ली कन्सर्न इंजिनियर आनी कन्सर्न जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आहा तेका घेवन हांव तें काम करून घेतलें तेच्या नंतर फुडलो जो पळय बॅच आसलो तुका हांव सांगता कोणापो टू आनंदी जनरल स्टोरेजे सकयल पालोटी थंय आमी एक बॅच घेतलेलो तेन्ना WRD मिनिस्टर विनोद पालयेकर तेन्ना तेणी एक बॅच घेतलो जो पालोटीचे फाटल्यान प्रॉपर्टी आहा पळय तितको तेच्या नंतर आमी पालोटी पाटो टू आमी आसगांव युनियन घेतला तो पेंडींग आहा मागीर आसगांव युनियन टू आमी सिरसाट पाटो आहा पळय सिरसाटाची घरां आहा त्या पाटे कडेन घेतला आमी आनी तेच्या फुडें परत घेतला तें काम टील डेट जावना म्हाका दिसता हे सगळें करपाक जो WRD मिनिस्टर आसलो तेचो आमकां सपोर्ट जाय त्या टायमार मांद्रेकरान आमकां सपोर्ट केल्लो तसो सपोर्ट जर जो कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर दिता आनी हे सगळें काम सुरळीत जातलें